Hey, it's Ian, and today we have the Light Up Acrylic message board. Now this is going to be great for artistic expression or for more practical uses. But when you turn on the LED light, that's when the real magic happens. Now this is perfect for kids, teens, and adults alike because you can harness your creative energy, whether you're doodling or decorating your room. This also works great as a nightlight. This is also going to get you in that festive mood as you decorate for all of the holidays. And this is going to elevate your party to the next level. Now, as I mentioned before, this also has some really practical uses, like say for busy family members who need to relay messages to each other, or for people who rely on reminders and even to-do lists. Now what I really love about this is I don't have to waste money on all those batteries because this is powered by USB, which means you can use this with an adapter, plug it into your computer, or if you want to go mobile, you can even use a power bank. Now another neat feature is that this comes with a useful, fully adjustable stand, so you can prop this up on any table, desk, or counter. But you don't actually have to use this. You can even hang it up on the wall with something like our sticky tape, which is available on our site. But my favorite part is that they give you a set of 7 vivid, high-quality markers, which I really love because a lot of sets like these really skimp out on the markers. Not this one. These colors come out bold and vibrant. And when you want to erase your design and start over, no problem. All you'll have to do is wet one of the included cloths and wipe it away. Now this is personally one of my favorite products we have on the site right now, and in fact, I'm gonna be using this for my party over the weekend. Now one thing I do want to mention is that when you get this, there will be a protective film on both sides of the acrylic board. So when you get that, you're gonna want to go ahead and peel off both sides. Now we have an awesome deal on the site that you're not gonna want to miss out on, so head on over there and grab yours today.